Good morning once again. So we were where Duke said that thou shalt free the difference of our spirit. You should see how different we are from each other because you didn't show any mercy, but I am showing you mercy even without asking you, because he is trying to prove the spirit of mercy, this that about the speech and the greatness of mercy he has spoken about earlier in this act. He is trying to practice that on Shylock now, so that for future Shylock understands the quality of mercy and how it is useful and how it helps both the giver and the taker. I pardon thee thy life before you ask it. Before you ask, even I am going to pardon you your life. For half thy wealth it is Antonio's, but half your wealth is Antonio's. The other half, which comes to the state of Venice, as per the law of Venice, that I am reducing only to the fine, but that is provided you show humbleness of the character, you are humble in your behavior. That perhaps he is talking about that in future Shylock will not be so rude, Shylock will not be so selfish, Shylock will show the high level of character. This is what he's expecting, not for right now, but I think in future course of events also he wants Shylock to change his behavior and to think about others. For the state, not for Antonio. Yes, he can. That half of the state can be pardoned, but not the part which Antonio possesses now. So Shylock says, Nay, take my life and all, pardon not that. Says, you take my house, and when you do take the prop that doth sustain my house, you are telling me that you keep the house, but you are taking out the pillar on which my house is standing, means the money with which I need to keep the house, which I need to maintain the house, that you are taking away from me, then it's better that you take my life too. What he means to say, that if I have a big house, I have to maintain it, I have to keep it going, I have to keep the servants too, he has to maintain the house. There are hundreds of things which come with a big house. So all that he'll not be able to manage if his all money has been taken by the government or Antonio. So he says that then in that case you take my life too. Then Portia asks Antonio, what mercy can you show? And then Gratiano says, a halter gratis. Nothing more, my lord Antonio, just a hang, so that he can hang himself. So he is again being very sarcastic here. He says, please, please, just give him a hang, give him a rope to hang himself. That's all. That's enough mercy you are showing to him, because he had shown no mercy to you. Antonio says, so please, my lord and duke and all the court to quit the fine for one half of his goods. So Antonio says, if duke is, and all this court is permitting that only a fine will be taken, they are happy with that fine instead of the whole property, then I am also happy. So he will let me have the other half in use to render it. So other half I will keep in a trust. I will make a trust, whatever money or property he has, I will put that all into a trust, and that unto his death, upon his death, unto the gentleman that lately stole his daughter. Antonio is so merciful. Antonio is such a wonderful person that he doesn't want that money. Even though he knows that he's broke, even though he knows right now that he doesn't have any single penny for surviving himself, but he does not want somebody else's money. So he says, I am going to keep the money which Antonio, which I'm getting as per law by from Antonio. I'll keep that in trust, and on his death, he should agree to that on his death, this money which I will be keeping in a trust will go to the person who's marrying his daughter. That means whosoever is marrying Jessica. So who has married Jessica? That is Lorenzo. So he says that money will go to Lorenzo and Jessica after the death of Shylock. So if he has to agree on this, but this will come with two conditions. Firstly, he will have to become a Christian. Secondly, he will have to make a bond right now. He will have to sign a legal documents, deed of gift. Means he will gift all this property, deed of gift, all this property. He will make a legal document now itself that he will gift all this to Jessica and Lorenzo, because Antonio worried that as Jessica has married a Christian, she might not be given what was legally hers from her father. So he makes sure that Jessica and Lorenzo get the money which Shylock will be pardoned. He presently becomes a Christian. That he do record a gift means he does sign a bond, legal bond, that in the deed of gift he is giving it to his daughter and son-in-law, and this all will automatically go to them after his death. Duke says he shall do this. Now Duke says of course he should do it, because if he doesn't do that, then whatever I have pardoned, I will take it all back. So as it is, he has no other option. So he says if he does not allow that, because you have been very gracious in returning him all the money, so in case he does not agree to that all that money which you are leaving for him, or we are leaving just by taking a small penalty, that if he does not want that, then I will not pardon him what I had announced. So what the two threats would be there. His property will also be gone, then his life will also be again in threat. Portia says to Shylock now, art thou contented, Jew? What dost thou say? Now what do you say? What is your answer? Shylock says, I am content. He has no other option. So he says, yes, I am satisfied. Clerk, draw a deed of gift. Now this clerk is addressed to Nerissa, because she had come as a clerk with Portia, who is Dr. Balthazar. So clerk, draw a deed of gift. Shylock, I pray you, I give me leave to go from hence. Let me go hence. I am not well. I am not feeling well, so allow me to go, and I will send me the deed and I will sign it. Duke said, get thee gone. Okay, you may go, but do sign the bond. Gratiano, he says now, in christening shalt thou have 2 godfathers. Had I been judge, thou shouldst have had 10 more, to bring thee to the gallows, not to the font. Now, when there is a system, there is a custom, when a man is admitted to the Christian faith by baptism, they baptize with the water, holy water. He has 2 godfathers who are responsible to see that he grows up as a good Christian, he automatically gets two godfathers, but they take care of that he becomes um, a good Christian. And so here godfathers uh, somehow also is synonym for the members of jury. And you know, in a full jury there are always 12 members in a jury. If you have ever heard of any court case, you might have understood that jury decided. So as a law, in 12 members are consisted of a jury. Okay, so he says, if in questioning shalt thou have two godfathers. Now, because you're going to be Christian, you will have two godfathers. But if I had been the judge, if I had been judge, you would have been brought in front of jury, and in that case, I would have made sure that you do not get this pardon. You do not get whatever you have relief you have got from Duke and Antonio, but I would have sent you to gallows, that is jail. Gallows means jail. You would have been sentenced, or your life would have been taken. So here he is using godfather in Christianism, and godfathers, the members of jury. So he says, if I would have been your grandfather, then you would have had 10 more godfathers, then more grandfathers, and then I would have made sure that you were going to jail. You were going to be punished. And font is bowl on a raised platform. Font is the area where they are raised. It's a dais kind of a thing, but in the shape of circle, on which they stand when this ceremony of baptism is going on. Okay, containing holy water for the ceremony of baptism. Font is a place, bowl on a raised platform. Font is a bowl. Font is a bowl on a raised platform in which holy water is kept for the Christians. If you would have ever gone to church, you might have noticed they have it there. So that is called. Then you would not have been gone to the font, but you would have gone to the jail if I would have been one of the jury members, one of your godfathers. And he is very smartly used godfather, because godfather is also used for Christians, for the godfather, for the person who is responsible to make somebody to be a good Christian once they have adopted the religion, when they have converted into Christianism. Okay. Duke, sir, now Shylock leaves. So major portion of Act 2 is finished here. After this, we will see that how Duke asks Portia, Dr. Balthazar in disguise, that he should come for dinner, but he says, no, I have to leave immediately, as she wanted to reach before Bassanio reaches home. But before that,